Hello guys, I welcome you back to JM Graphic Tutorials. So in this tutorials, I'm going to show you how to increase your dedicated video memory. So this video is particularly about increasing your video memory to boost your performance of your PC. So without much ado, I just want us to quickly move inside these tutorials and make everything simple. So first of all, to increase your video memory, you have to make sure that your computer drivers are updated. So this is what we are going to do first. First of all, I will just click or left click my Windows key here, then I'll go to my device manager. Then after it has opened, I'll go to my display adapter and go straight to my Intel drivers. So these are the Intel drivers that I'm just using. So I will just left click on it and go to my update. So let's make sure that it is updated. So this is what I have just been given. So it reads that the best drivers for your device are already installed. So that means that my drivers are up to date. So I will just quickly close the window and come back to our new thing that we are going to start. So to increase your video memory, first of all, you have to hold on your Windows key plus R. So this is what it is going to show up. So after this has shown up, you are going to type something called regedit. So you type regedit, REGEDIT. So this is regedit. So after you have typed this, you just go on and click on OK. So this registry editor will come and you just click on yes. So after you have clicked on yes, this is the page that it is going to open onto you. You just go straight to your local machines, then you just open your local machines. Then after you have opened your local machines, you go to your software, then you open your software app. So these are the softwares that is on your PC. So you just search Intel. So after you have seen Intel, you just open up your Intel. So with the Intel, you just left click on the Intel folder. So you just left click on your Intel folder, you go to new, you go to your key. Then with your key, you are going to type something called GMM in capital. So you type GMM. After you have typed the GMM, you just select your GMM that you have just typed. Then you go to the folder. So you just come to this blank space here. Then you left click on it. You go to new. Then you go to DWORD 32-bit value. DWORD 32-bit value. So you just click on it. So after the DWORD 32-bit has opened to you, you just get something like that. Then you are going to type something called dedicated segment size. So this is how you are going to type it. You type it like this, dedicated, then the segments will be a capital X, something like this. So the size will also begin with a capital X like this. So this is how you are going to type your dedicated segment size, something like this, very beautiful and very nicely. So after you have done with that, you just click on it. So after you have clicked on it, you just go to the same thing again, or what you have just typed. Then you click on it, you left click on it, you go to modify, then you click on modify. So this is where we are going to actually change the dedicated size of our video memory. So with this, we have to know the principle that works here. So first of all, I just want to show you something. So I just want to open something onto you. So let's close this one and let me open something first onto you. So let's go back. So these are what we are going to use to type in our dedicated video memory. So let's go back and go to our modifier. So with this is the principle that works here. So let me open this up a little bit, Control plus, and let us see it work. So if your RAM is 2 gig, you have to type the value here to be 256, and if you are having 4 gig RAM, you just have to type 4 or 512 here, and if you are having 8 gig RAM, then you have to type 1024 here, and if you are having 16 RAM, then you have to type 2048 here. So this is how it works, but my PC is having an 8 gig RAM, so I'm actually going to type 1024 inside the box. So now, since my RAM is 8 gig, I need to type 1024 into the value data here. So I will just type 1024 into this box here, then I will just click on OK. So this is how we just change our video memory, or our dedicated video memory. So after I'm done with this, I will just close it, then I will just restart my PC. So now after I have restarted the PC, I will just go to my display settings. So I will just go to my display settings, whether it has been reflected there. So I'll just go down here and go to advanced display settings. So after it has been opened to me, I will just go to my display adapter properties. So after I have opened my display adapter properties, I will go to my dedicated video memory, and now you will see the changes there. So at first I was having 128 dedicated video memory, but now it has just increased to 512 megabytes. So just follow these tutorials and just increase your dedicated video memory and just boost the performance of your PC. So just follow the tutorial and thank me later. So goodbye. We are going to meet on another session of tutorial. Bye bye.